Benimar Tessoro 481. The motorhome has a length of 596, a height of 289, and a width of 230 centimeters. There are storage compartments on both sides. On the right side, it measures 104 by 26 centimeters. On the left side, it measures 31 by 129 centimeters. The living area features an L-shaped seating group. There is a panoramic roof in the driver's cabin. The kitchen includes a 140-liter refrigerator, a sink, and a 2-burner stove. The bathroom offers a separate shower cabin, windows, and ample storage space. The fresh water tank has a capacity of 100 liters, and the wastewater tank has a volume of 105 liters. The bed is electrically retractable and is located above the seating group.